Hi guys, today I'm going to share with you all my homemade recipe for browning or burnt sugar. So to make this, we're going to start off with our saucepan, and in the saucepan I'm going in with 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. You can use the light version or the dark version, it doesn't matter. Now you want to do this on a low heat because you want that sugar to take its time and melt and then caramelize. So you're going to be turning this constantly. Remember, keep it on a low heat. It's going to start to froth up like this, and you're going to cook it until it gets a really dark color. Now the darker you get it, the darker the browning is going to be, and then you'll have a darker cake. So you just cook it to the consistency or the color you like. Once it gets to that color, you see that dark amber, dark color, then you're going to go in with some lukewarm water or some hot water. You just want to add in a little at a time and mix. Now once you mix that in, you can go in with some more water, and I'm going to add in a little more water here because I think it's a little too thick. Now once you add in your water, you can cook this down until the consistency you like. So if you want it thin, you don't cook it as much, and if you want a really thick browning, you cook it a little longer. This is the consistency I have here, not too thick, not too thin. And this is what I use to make my black cake. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. It makes a really delicious black cake. Make it and let me know what you think, and thank you for watching. Bye.